Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education hakas ngithot ding kalai photorek naitung kelapan panai ka result jok examen higher secondary school living certificate hak tanat puli science commerce dan vocational ka jingdon jiki kena puli ba pass haka science kalong 9% nakasispa katba haka commerce kalong 12.9% nakasispa haka juga por ki kena puli ki ba pass haka vocational kalong sispa nakasispa mentau snem kam shimladan ka jingwa ek result hagi jaka tho examen namal ka jinglong jimban jaka klam covid kat kandai haka result mentau snem ubayo banikang do netapa na babaro haka commerce uday udi braj nak kena puli jaka Laban Bangalee Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong haka science part banikang ne katapa kadai ka Chaita Das na ka St Anthony's Higher Secondary School.
After giving the exam, I was very tense. I had no clue about how the results were gonna come. This year we only have online classes. So we did not have the confidence we used to have. But due to the help of the government, at the end of the year we had some offline classes. So we could clear our doubts. We could gain some confidence. The board was continuously pushing itself for giving the results earlier so that our academic future is not in bad hands. 30th. So I was very calm before that because I was sure what was going to happen. I will not be able to change it. What has been done has been done. So, but before 11 o'clock, tension grew greater and greater. Expectations were not so high, but I was sure that I could do great result. I was a little confident about it.
Before checking the results, I was admittedly really nervous, but now that the results are out, I do feel really glad and really grateful to all my teachers for helping me out whenever I asked for help. No matter when it was, no matter how late it was, they always did help me out. I'm grateful to all my friends for cheering me on and my parents for supporting me all the time. Actually, at the beginning, it was really confusing because obviously it's something entirely new and we've never really done anything like that before. But our teachers helped us out a lot. They made audios and videos on practically every topic so that it'd be as easy as possible. And fine, it was not like an offline class, but it could have been worse actually, but they helped us out a lot. I think it's very easy to get very nervous and very overwhelmed before the exam, and we've all experienced that at one point or the other. But I think it definitely helps if we just keep everything organized and just don't think about it too much, don't think about what the results are going to be like, and just try to give your best. That's the best way to do it. I can't really say I have anything specific. It depends on what the topic is. If it's more complicated, then I need more time. And if it's simpler, then I don't. And then again, it helps if I take a break after about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, a short break, and then I get back to what I was doing.
Thank you so much. May I know your name, please?
It's Chaita.
Okay. Thank you.
Right now, I'm preparing for my JEE entrance exams, and I want to take up computer science. But beyond that, I haven't really thought much about it because I think it's better to just take things step by step and to figure it out on the way.
8th position in commerce. It's all because of my teachers, my friends, my family, my mother and my sister, and of course my friends. I'm planning to do my BCom in St. Anthony's, then I'll prepare for CAT exam, and then I'll do MBA, and then I'm thinking to go abroad with the placement, whichever I'll get. I don't study a lot, but I give quality time to my study, and yes, and even our teachers in Anthony's, they have helped us a lot. 7 hours a day. Last year when the online classes have started, we really got irritated because of all the PDF format and because of the online test. But this year, luckily our teachers, our school, they have conducted a offline pre-board exam. And then giving the offline board exam was a very big deal for us, but still we have done it. Now I'm happy.
Di lembar kerja seberan kerja lembar kumba ni tip menjib sedam bat hadu mentau sedam idang don hakenika kanika jinglong jong kejing wan juga klam kawara kejing si ejiti bat menjib sedam andalawan kanika klam le kawara kejing kelah kejing tre jing kata hikam kijam kejing pulih tina dong sedong tengi kumna kaliang ka skul ngim tip syu kumnu panin le she ingin pai Nrai suki pasuki kepada yang kisingi pon iba kepertai kejinang di start juga beri kepri kalat kelenti kumno bangi di pedon kam ya ki social media dalam baki social media ni lapan pedon kam ya ki online classes ba mangi baru sekat tu le singim sim lapan pedon kam ni dah kejingwan juga ni ke pandemik covid-19 pat kala penlong bat kala pen bor yang i bangi nya wat ya kalat kelenti kumno bangi nya kan long class lo dak mwe pada jing long jong kini ki online classes nak kalian juga school but nak kalian kum principal hiru ngalaju budin but ngalaju kerpa di kino hikai baki dei ban kimnum dei ban shim kabu hakinu de bentah rei kim dei ban pensap eru ka por suar kunju ikino non hikai baki kena ngaju I mean sim baki dei ban jat tre stom kum baju long wala dangim la shu bani kendo para khabar rei da kicing pendon kam joki mobile di media kiba ailat kelenti bangin nangki susu nga syamba kilai skit kia bat kumta kilai budin bat kilai tristom baro aliang kunjur mik pa kibala don senda jogi kun i menta kiso jogi jin tristom jogi bat nak skul jungi sisang ala ila baro ila kit kia I hello kini kinong hikai kilong kiba very committed very dedicated bat kina ru namar ke result ke pen iba kilalong sisang kina kibla pendon kampai kapor kim shimla pensap de nga ai kijing kublay ke kraw kitu kina jungi ki blawan chkmat ha ki position jong science but ki commerce but nga ai kijing kublay kitu ki wepat ki bam shimla yo position reg bla pass ba examination but kitu ki bam shimla la pat ngade nga try ga don ka kubon nak benta jungi ladang idon ka thong ladang idon ka thong halade rela dang yo mat ke jing kala ke jing jing re sim ka thong kala long clear but ngila focus kamnum la ban pen kenan din yangi ngai kini kena dengan la clear ki ke ba pelong hi bakin job ki omba pi kawan ka jing kala ka mariang ne ha ka skur ne ke re ka determination but ka jing tre jungi kam sim la sange kata ke ke kubur ke mangil ni ban sim bawa pedeng ke jing long dengan dikai kemarin aku meniru ngim dei ban sung siir ngim di ban sung tim ring di banyak tre bet ya ka kam bangi kwa ban job ha ka thong ha ka offline te nila ban yo I prakmat nila ban shong ban kedo nila ban sngap ban pensung thui kena re ha ka online pat teng la dengi kwa ban keren kaya pher bang bang imdon kena tu tong ni sukran re kam don ta ka impact ka ba ora ka pull ka force ba ki mo kadon ke jinge de ke baya jan ban pi so ko wei ru kaya phebak la pan ma teng teng ha ba ngi dang sim class kino ikai don ki bam yo kan network don ki ba thut kan network la da de ha ka sound la da de ha ka voice la da de ha ka video la da de mo ka thut kan network te teng teng yo ki nim num yo shu ka connection ge te la da don ka offline pat kaya pher na mar bele nila ban batai ban bodien kadon ke jingi per pedeng juki bat ha juki por kadon ke jingi onong per ke jingi do onong baro alia lada kanika situation kadang ya ditang kumni ngatrai ba niru nginang hapan pentebit susu haliang jong ke media haliang jong ki mobile bat ngakerpat na kalian juga school ba ke government ke diban lei kenapa day tang kitu ki badon hasor kinyo ya kanika opportunity lani ya kanika facility ndai ni dei ban penya shu khamtam eski rural places sha ki nokon dong ru bat lada ka government bat kat ka jite stom lang jong ka stom ka thau bat ka school ka try ka niru ka sawara ka jingkiu mo ka jingkiu ka jinang jing start page adu mentang inget bayang idon ka ni ka por ring la le ba tengah try mangipat lada dang ya kini ka klam nga try nang kham pen pha shu kum no ban pen don kam shu wa chu kalat klinti da kiwi weru ban pen suk I khna namang I bun gi ba ai kalat klinti la makin ke google sim la iPhone ni la ada ki online admission ha kanu ko por online admission ki Laban apply kanu ko por ring saya page pa dala yo ya result to campus na pedeng kitu kumno ngin ya jit ya ki kena kan kum ki merit based on merit performance bara ka ju ko por pat lada kum ha kani ko por ngi iba ka klam bat bon sabun ki kena bamnum lek police bar ki sabun ba ki basa ko kan state ni nak bentar itu kiru ngi don ke evening school ke ba island ti yaki balada don kinu kena ba mishim la yo admission kinu school ki la pen join ke evening school jongi ha class 11 but 12 ngi don bun ki jakan da joki so most welcome mentau snam but ke ba menchim snam tinggi kam le ha na mara science ngi yo baro na do first do 10 position ha commerce ngi yo pra let's see ka daw ko long ba na ka daw bakini ki bamshim lala ha bangin yo e biang ka percentage ke dei na ka daw jo kani online classes ke bangim 4 Julai rewa na kata pat kini bla yo shikmat de ba sngo I could play sngo ngu but I could play yaki bakila wan te ko don ka jing ye pair clap pap na mar ka jing kla kon ra but ni ngai scam ba nang ni smart ni nang la shu ban le ha ada kawan ha kani ko kom ru ni nang la penon kam now ka ha kalian juga by school te ngi na kalian juga school ni siam jing e namar ba kumba yakino hikai ni hapan si by full amount te ladangi didak na kiknaru kamot ladang yedon ke jisnu tu kino hikai ki diban kloi ban sim ya kanika deduction ban bidang ya kanika je namar mdei tang kikna ki mekik pa te kino hikai do ka jok por ki diban bidang ya kanila ladangi odd reduce no kandiat kumbangi odd yaki ek mekik pa so ko pat lada hakas ko jungi ngisyam baki kena sisya kisyam jing haka finance problem ni I concession but ni rap eki but ngimpen bod eki bakin seal namar tang ngila tis ngotu ba ngi tu pai ka background joki noi ki bala ban siu pat kumba su ong don ki kena ba don ki mi pa par on betre ka kam sarkar ki bala ban siu ngimla ban ong eki ong in deduce no reduce no mo deduct no noi ki bala ban siu kan tu iki kan seluruh ki bakin rap la mi ki we